Yan, so hello guys. So maadjong buntag, so mag-vlog ko karon. So good morning. What a beautiful Monday morning today here in Dumaguete. So hello honey.
Hello, honey. Fishing with rain.
So our weather is not really good today.
Boring, look, boring.
Look at that. It's not really good. So it's 9 o'clock. A while ago, I was going gardening a while ago. Me and Nanay, my husband was helping me to throwing away the rubbish. And then after 1 hour, this is what happened. It's raining. So not really good because we have workers today. See that? Look at that. So we have workers. They're supposed to start already at 8 o'clock mixing cement, but because of this, it rains. So they stop. They are there, look. So it's not really good. But my husband like it because it's not hot. Refreshing, right honey?
Yeah.
So refreshing if it's raining. That's it. So it's another day again to keep busy. So look at that. It's not good. It's no workers. Kurias are hiding because of the rain. In England, if it's raining, it's really cold, right, Han? What can you say about the rain in Philippines, honey?
It comes down a lot.
And then, but it's not cold, right?
No, it's not cold. But when it rains, it fucking rains.
It's when it's rain, it's fucking rain, but it's not. It's not really.
It doesn't spit. It just comes.
It's not. Well, this is just this morning because the clouds is really bright, so it means this is just maybe
This
this
is a
morning.
passing shower.
Yeah. Later on, this will be gone.
Yeah, passing shower.
Yeah. So look at that. Worker stuff. This is the problem if it's raining. If you have something to do, then can do nothing because it's raining. But I want to go out later and run in the rain. So my plants like it. They like this. So we are stuck inside because of the rain. Heavy rain. It's so relaxing listening to the rain. Thunder, lightning is there too. Not good. Not really good.
I see the governor of New York Oriental doesn't want to lift the ban. he doesn't. He's been advised to lift the lockdown, and he said no.
See how strong the rain looks. Look at the water now. You forgot to close your shed, huh?
Yeah, sorry.
For sure.
Rain doesn't rain.
I just hope that after a couple of hours rain will stop. But I can hear thunder. Thunder and lightning. This is my plants. I put my plants here inside. Look at that.